Hey everyone, welcome back. In the first part, we have made this top navigation bar or top nav or nav bar, and through which you can choose file and upload button. I've just designed the UI of this. Now, in this part, we are going to make the logic that how the files will be stored in the local storage. This is my Instagram page, please go and check it out. It has some really awesome content. Now we are going to make the logic part, how these files or images will be stored into the local storage. So for this I'm going to make a division and giving it id as result. So result means the result photos or images. So for that I am just going to link the JavaScript file using script src js index.js. So going to make this folder and now in this index.js. So into the index.js, now the main logic of our this video is to store the images into the local storage whichever is submitted through the choose file option. So for that I'm just going to make a parent div variable, and this variable will be document.getElement by id. It will be taking result, means the result tag, this one id result, the division tag, sorry, not result tag. And after that the form variable, it will be taking the form elements, which means choose file button and upload, choose file input type and upload button, the form elements. Now whenever someone clicks on the, before that I'm just going to take the images, where images, it is not needed now for of now. So I will just making an event listener when someone submits the form, which means when someone clicks on the input type submit button, the upload button, this one, when someone clicks over it, the form will get submitted. So I'm just going to add event listener submit. It will run a function. So when someone submits, I'm just going to console.log for of now it as the upload the image or something like that. Yeah, so now I'm going to check this console. I'm going to upload. It is reloading. I don't want it to reload, so for that I'm going to make e variable. This is event variable, so I will use e.prevent default. This will stop the reloading when someone clicks on the upload. So look, upload second time, third time, multiple times. Yeah, I'm just going to cancel this out. Going to make a variable reader. This will be file reader. New file reader. File reader is a predefined class that helps us to read the files using the web or document object, where name we are going to take the name, not make the name, take the name of the image using this document.getElement by id image. This image is input type file. As I have shown in the previous video, the name of the image is displayed over there in the file type. So files 0.name. So using this we will get the name into a name variable. I'm just going to write a comment over here so that you can understand in the code. If you want to look over it, I'm just console.logging it, choosing any file, this Hulkbuster file. Hulk versus Hulkbuster is the name. Look at this, upload. The name is shown over here, look. So means we are getting the name using this into the name variable. Now the name variable is having the name, but we also want the image. So we are going to make the image variable, and using document.getElement by id form oh sorry, image is the id of the input type file. I am going to take its files 0. I'm not using its name, it is the file. So taking the image, I'm just going to write the comment all over here so that you can understand the code that I'm trying to write or show you. Now I'm going to take the reader dot read as data URL. So I want this image to be read or to be read as data URL. It will be image. Yeah, I want this image to be read as data URL. So this reader will give you the result. So I'm just going to add event listener to this reader, and this will be load. So when the file is loaded into the reader, this reader will give you the result. So now I'm just going to check if there is local storage available. So if image means if the image is chosen or not, and local storage, it means local storage is available or not. After that, I'm just going to set the item into the local storage using local storage.set item. Name means the file name, and as you all know, we can set items into the local storage as key value pairs. So key will be the name and reader.result will be the value. So as I've told you, the reader will give you result and the result will be the image. So I'm just going to write this alert image is stored in the local storage. Okay, I'm just going to write this alert into the set timeout function, as I don't want to wait for the web page to wait for it. So set timeout function is asynchronous function, and this will call this alert after 1 second without disturbing the waiting time of the web page. So now I will choose this Joker image and upload it. Yeah, alert says this file is stored, and now look at this, into the local storage Joker is uploaded and value is here. So key is here and value is here. I will just delete this Joker file. So now we had successfully uploaded one of the image into the local storage. Now our main task is to show them or show the image into the UI. So for that, the parent div variable that I have taken using the result ID div, I'm just going to append this into the inner HTML of parent div. For that I need some HTML, so that will be blank for of now, because I'm going to do this task using show images or show image function. So I think so you have understood what I'm trying to say. Else the if condition is false. So else I'm just going to give the alert that image is not stored, or some error was there. So image not stored, simple message will be there. There can be errors like there is not space available into the local storage or something like that. So in that condition the image cannot be stored. So I'm just going to give you a simple message, image not stored. So I think so you have understood the code till this much. Now the next thing will be, so I'm just going to write here the comment also, if image and local storage is available. By chance if you don't remember all these things, then read the comment over here while writing the code. So that function, the show images function, I'm going to make here, and this function will display the image. So how to display? We are just going to take it from the local storage and show it into our web page. So I'm just going to apply the for loop. the I will go through the local storage.length means if there are 6 images, this for loop will go through all those 6 images, and into this for loop I'm just going to make a result variable res, and it will get item from local storage using local storage.get item, and it will be key means the name of the image, key I means the variable through which we are looping this. And I'm just going to make this image using image class, predefined JavaScript class image, and in this image I'm going to make src, and this src will be res means result. Image.src means the source of this image, and I'm just going to append as child this image into the parent div. So it is just simple for loop, just taking all the images and appending into the parent div. Now just going to give you an example like upload. Look, the image is uploaded and appended into the parent div. As we have not designed it using CSS, the image width and height is now overflown to all of the web page. So we are going to design this image height, width and all of the properties, how the images will be arranged into the next video. So if you want more videos like this, please like on this video, and please go through the previous video also if you haven't understood this video. Thank you so much. That's it for today.